Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So finally I have made the complete Shopify Mega Menu solution that reflects any Shopify app, Shopify Mega Menu app, because here you are going to get all the premium features without paying monthly basis subscription. So let's see the result, then we'll learn about this Mega Menu Pro. So let's get started. First of all, I want to show you the result. So going to reload, we are checking the front end, then we'll check the back end, then we will also learn more about this ready Mega Menu, how you can implement on your Shopify online store without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, even without any subscription based app. So first of all, I have already reload and you can see that I'm going to move on my mouse. You see, here is the Mega Menu featured. This is just simple and this is not really simple. Now you check. Okay, it's make ready following the SU structure code recommend by Google, so that it help Shopify store to rank organically, and Google like this feature to rank it organically and reach people or any other search engine. Okay, so here is the shop by garden type, shop seasonal, you see, and you can see the difference. Here is the 5 type, here is the seasonal 5, here is the del, I add 4, learn, here is the another option, keep 4. Okay, so I hope you already understand that about this ready Mega Menu, but still there have more. First of all, click on search and then just type any word that is available on your store. So you can see here is the Ajax result without loading your site, without moving another page. Just click on it. Okay, you see, then go back. We are going to check the sticky menu. You see, here is the sticky menu, but it's only for home page, not others page. Go to the contract. You see, all other page is working fine. Go back on the home page. Okay, now check the mobile version. You see, if I click on here, wow, here's the logo, search bar and the Mega Menu. You can see if I click on any product or title name, you see no product, because in this category there are no products. So go back, or directly we can click on here, shop by category. If there are any product, then we can see, then click on here, all shop. Okay, also click on the contact. You see, so far you have see or check the front end. Now go back the back end. Here is the backend. I just making a quick tutorials for now. I will share everything another video in details about this feature, benefit, everything. Just here I am going to show you how you can do this. So here is the Mega Menu. I have hide the default header or Mega Menu because I have included everything on here. So first of all, you have all the ready option to update, customize. For example, change logo for mobile. We can go there. Okay, reload. Okay, now check again. You see, here's the logo for desktop, logo for mobile, individual logo. If no logo, then fallback my store, logo height, search options, so show search bar, search icon. You see, dynamically changing. Placeholder, popular, hint, comma, separate, account. Here's the account icon, and layout, customer section, alignment, height, sticky, max width, font size, mobile, back point, everything. Also another option, if I scroll, then header will be hide on scrolling, we can edit. Also color for transparent header. You see, here is the transparent header color. You see, it's changing dynamically. Transparent header opacity, you can control the header opacity. You see, transparent header text color, you can change it. Yes, then we are going to change it white, make it deep. Yes, perfect. Okay, so all of the option in available here. Also social icon. So now the question is that how you will get this. You will get this on my Gumroad account. You will find my Gumroad account link in my video description, so don't worry about that. And I'm going to make a final video including details of its p chart, benefit, and setup, everything. So just stay connected. You know, I'm working as a Shopify developer and uploading video relevant Shopify SEO. I have already uploaded more than 1000 video in this YouTube channel, so you can subscribe this channel to get more more helpful video for your Shopify store to rank it organically and make it professional without hiring any developer, without any coding skill. Also, if you want to learn Shopify, then don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.